Hello everyone, this is the Neporal Light. It's meant to be a self-charging light bulb. It's meant to be absolutely amazing for if your electricity is cut or you need lights to take outside. Basically, you put these into your light fixtures just like a normal light bulb. You just screw in and then it self-charges, and if anything ever goes wrong you can unscrew it and it will remain lit. So I'm going to take them out of the box now so we can have a quick little look. Now when you receive the box it should come with this security seal, and if that's broken it's been opened somewhere along the lines of it being delivered to you. Inside the box you'll have 4 light bulbs and also these little hooks that you screw onto the light bulb, and then you can hang it and press this button which will activate or deactivate the bulb, kind of like a flashlight. So this is what the bulbs look like, and they're actually pretty stylish. They've got quite a nice design right here, which is nice. Now what's meant to happen is you can attach something that's going to trigger this here, and you can actually use your finger, and the way that works is you put your hand here just on top and then you touch down on both, and there you have the bulb is now lit, which is really cool. So they actually come with a bit of charge before you even plug them in. You would also get the little cap, screw it on like that, press the button, and once again the bulb remains lit, or unpress it and it's no longer lit. So this is what it looks like, which is actually pretty nifty, and you can just hold it by the hook like this and it remains lit. Really cool. I'm going to go ahead and pull it in the light switch behind me, and I'm going to see what it looks like when the plug socket is in, and then I'm going to take the plug socket out as if it's like an electricity cut and see if it remains lit. And just like that, it's now on. You can see the second light bulb is on as well. So what I'm going to do, I'm actually going to unplug the light by the plug socket and see what happens. And we're just going to switch that off. So I'm just going to take it out, attach the little white thing to it, and now we can walk around the house with a torch. We can even take it outside if we wanted to. Would I recommend this product? Yes, I absolutely would.